If your Samsung fridge is leaking water, there are several potential causes to consider. The issue may be due to a clogged defrost drain, damaged door seals, or the fridge not being level. To address these problems, start by inspecting the defrost drain, as it can become clogged with debris or ice over time, causing water to overflow and leak. You can try unclogging the drain using hot water or by flushing it with a turkey baster. If this doesn't resolve the issue, check the door seals for any signs of damage or wear, as faulty seals can allow warm air to enter the fridge, leading to water condensation and leaks. Replacing the seals may be necessary if they are damaged or worn out. Another possible solution is to ensure the fridge is level, as an uneven fridge can prevent water from draining properly, resulting in leaks. Use a carpenter's level to check the alignment of the fridge and adjust the leveling feet as needed. To achieve a proper position, by following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Samsung fridge that's leaking water.